Tri-5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Always a popular body style, and this model, of course, 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air four-door sedan, C designation in the VIN, true Bel Air, now powered by a 400 cubic inch small block underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, nicely equipped AC blows cold, power brakes. Look at the chrome on the front of this car. Nice condition, bright work as far as the grille, headlights, surrounds, hood ornament. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall radials. Good looking Chevy wheel covers. Original paint coat on this car, 585, so onyx black, solid car. That's the original way this would have come. And the trim, 509, blue cloth and vinyl interior. We're going to get around to that interior in just a bit. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Is it perfect? No, it's black. There's a few spots that may show its age a little bit, where there might be a little ding or a little imperfection, light scratch here and there, but overall, you step back, look at this car, you can see it shows well. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or you know what, just take it out and drive it, have some fun. Bright work on the side of the car. Also has a nice shine to it. All right, I mentioned interior. Let's take a peek at that. So blue interior. As you can see, your AC unit below the dash, aftermarket stereo, and that is working. Wipers also work. Those are vacuum. And that AC blows cold, best of all, for those hot days. Middle of the summer when you're driving this car, having some fun. And you can see those panels nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, there's a spot where there's some imperfections, and it's black, so it does show its age a little bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome in the rear bumper looking good. True dual exhaust from front to rear. Technician stated this car brakes straight. The brakes are 70% or better at all four corners. Does have new rear brake hoses. Tires are getting up there in age though. Stated 2005 date code on there. And did mention the odometer was in op. And some minor seepage stated underside of the engine just a little bit. All right, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through those still pics. Let's look down the driver's side of this car. If you like these Tri-5s, whether it be a Bel Air 210, hardtop, sedans, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can either do that online or right off our showroom floor. Do have a little bit of a dinger on that front fender. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Take a peek in the back here too quick. All right, so you can see door panels looking good. Seating surfaces not full of rips, tears, or holes. Seat belts in the rear. Listen to how that door closes. Don't sound like that anymore. Door panel looking good. Carpeting also in nice shape. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see underneath those floor mats. Let's take a look at this seat all the way across. So cloth vinyl blend. Should say combination, cloth and vinyl. Seat belts intact up front. Let's fire it up. It starts easily. Nice throttle response too. Top of the dash looks good. Stereo's working. Mentioned earlier, AC blows cold. How about the headliner? That almost looks like it could be original. Sounds just like the rear door closing. All right, slip around to the back, see how this sounds. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust, nothing too loud. Nice smooth runner, you ask me. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video if you want to see how this car goes down the road. Take a virtual ride if you will. Stick around just a bit longer. All right, underside of the hood. Pretty much the same as the exterior of the car. Here we go. All right, so new brake booster master cylinder, I think I mentioned that earlier. 400 small block, 400 cubic inch. Quadrajet. Newer style battery with the old school top on it. Look error correct. Data plate, call tag, whatever you'd like to refer to it as. That'll be in the still pictures. You want to do any decoding, remember this was an original onyx black car with blue cloth and vinyl interior. Say that 400's running pretty smooth underneath there. As you can see, vintage AC style, newer compressor. This car's set up to drive, folks. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1955 Chevrolet. Beautiful black 4-door automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. Brakes feel good. The windshield wipers work on this car. Very smooth running car right from the start. Nice acceleration. Now our speedometer is not moving, but the coolant temperature gauge is showing about a third of the way up, and the gasoline gauge shows full. We have an aftermarket AC unit down below the dash that does blow air, but it's cool out today, and it's hard for me to check if it actually blows cool. Radio works as it should.
You're not gonna get a raise in pay.
No can do, Johnson. Now there is a cassette player. I've tested FM now, and that works well. Great looking cloth bench seats. The steering wheel appears to be canted just a little to the left, but that doesn't affect the performance at all. And then braking again, that feels good, nice and smooth, doesn't pull to either side. Nice looking blue and gray interior. Corners nicely. Just leaning a little bit, as it should for a 55 Chevy. And we got the kickdown to go from the transmission, working as it should. Plenty of power with a later model engine in this car. You get a bit better performance. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 55 Chevrolet at UniqueClassicCars.com.